Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock Google Authentication if you are logged out on your phone. Let's get started. You might be logged out because you got a new phone, deleted the app or reset your device. Google Authenticator doesn't automatically back up your codes unless you set up with your Google account. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. If you had previously signed in to your Google account in the app, it may show an option to restore your codes. Tap sign in, choose your account and follow the steps to restore. If there is no backup, don't panic. Go to the website or app you were trying to log in into like Gmail, Insta or PayPal. Click try another way. Can't access your code or account recovery. Most services will guide you through verifying your identity and removing 2FA temporarily. Once you get access back to your account, go to the settings, security, two-factor authentication, choose use an authenticator app and it will show a QR code. Open Google Authenticator, tap the plus icon at the bottom right and scan the code to get it off again. And that's it. That's how you unlock Google Authenticator if you are logged out on phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.